Hey YouTube. Well, really long day at work and trying to relax, so I figured I would having hot dogs for dinner, going all out fancy. So I figured I'd get the Firebox stove out and see what happens. Now I haven't used the grill plate yet. See, they're all still bright and shiny, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna get this started, and sorry about all this. I'm filming with my phone, don't have a tripod for it. So I'm gonna get the fire going and I'll bring it back whenever that's ready to go. Okay, so if you have these, where's it at? Come on, focus. See the little T? Oh, I guess this way. Firebox marks at the top of the little T. And due to the fact that we're only cooking hot dogs, I'm gonna go ahead and get this on here now. Because who doesn't like a little bit of burn to their hot dog? So there we go. Should open this up. Oh, forgot the hot dogs. Be right back. Sorry about all that. Okay, I got the hot dogs. They're on there sizzling. So what they're doing, it ain't gonna take long. Hopefully they don't taste like burnt wood. But definitely should have let that burn down before I put the fire grate on. I don't know if it warped real bad or if that's just what this thing does and it'll go back. Hopefully it's okay, but we'll find out. 911, 911, fiery inferno hot dog, holy cow. Oh, they're definitely crispy. Well, this is the first time I ever used the grill top, so hopefully it flattens back out. Do not put that on until that burns down. Note to self. Well, hopefully we're okay. Should be. Things I've seen people put these through. The hot dogs, on the other hand, they don't look so good. I'm sure to find out this is the world's fastest cooking hot dog thing, that's for sure now. Oh well. Bring it back. Well, it's official. I think I should call this video how not to cook hot dogs on a Firebox stove. But, whoop. And how not to film a video with one hand and nothing else. One hand and a phone. There we go. Oh, we're gonna try it. Probably sure I got some sexy hair going on after work today, but one burn hot dog. Cheers. It's actually really good. So, I hope you can see me okay. I don't have a viewfinder or nothing. Makes a really fast, really good hot dog. So, instead of you guys sitting here watching me stuff my face with burnt deliciousness, I'm gonna, I guess, bring you back once I finish my hot dog or my charcoal dog. I like them burnt anyways, though, so it ain't no big deal to me. But if you are thinking about getting one of these Firebox stoves, don't hesitate. I have, this is the original 5-inch, and I also have the Nano. I've been very impressed with both of them. But like I said, this is the first time I've used this. So, definitely didn't use it right. It should straighten back out. once it cools off and everything. If not, as long as it goes on the stove, who cares, right? And then if I mess it up that bad, I'll just buy a new one. But no complaints with this stove. I put cast iron on it, everything, little 8-inch pan, 10-inch pan, pots. Haven't tried baking anything yet like Steve does in his videos, but no complaints at all. If you could, give me a thumbs up for the video, like and subscribe, that'd be really great. Trying to get my YouTube channel built up so I can at least get some views on it, so any help you guys can give me would be great. If at least nothing else, give me a thumbs up for the burnt charcoal dog. Alright, I'll bring you back once this is cooling off and we'll go from there. So, to go along with the charcoal dogs, we have fresh sweet corn. A little baby ear and a little bigger one, nothing huge. But these we actually grew in the garden at my mom's house. I don't have time to put a garden in. I got too much I have to do here, so I help my mom out and we just do one at her house. So I wanted to make videos on that, but excuse me. Nobody wanted to be on YouTube but me, so needless to say, when I said I'm gonna make a YouTube video while we're doing this, nobody else wanted to be involved. I said, nope, you can do it, but I ain't getting on no camera. Then I felt weird doing it in front of everybody. They all kept staring at me like. So I just said, no. We'll just wait till I get a garden over here. I'm gonna spin you around here again. Hold on. But this here, it looks like. Ooh, it looks like a. Okay, the tree laying there actually is just a branch that fell off of that cherry tree. It's a giant tree. I feel bad that they're all breaking and dying, but I don't want that falling on my head, so they're probably all going to get cut down. So, the other charcoal dog's really scary, to say the least. So, I'm going to get some butter on the corn and bring it back from there. I wish I could say I cooked the corn on a Firebox, but I zapped it in the microwave. I took the easy way. I am at home on my back porch, as you can tell. But yeah, if you could like my videos, give them a thumbs up. If you could subscribe, it'd help me out a lot. I hope you. Oh wow. Sorry for the epic close-up. But if you could like my videos, they'll help me out. Subscribe, share them, whatever. I'm just trying to get my channel built up, so any little bit helps. But I'll bring it back. We'll try the sweet corn. Oh, got some butter on it. Let's try it. And I'm really sorry if everybody's getting seasick from this, but my computer's dead. I don't have one. It's Corona. I'm really not trying to spend extra money, but I'm gonna try the sweet corn. It's good. Could have been cooked a little longer. I don't exactly know how to use this steamer microwave thing, but it's hot. It tastes good. I'm gonna eat it. So, if you could, like I said, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody's doing alright with Corona and everything. I hope everybody's not going crazy with everything that's going on in the world. This is not a Coke. But thanks for clicking on my videos. Even if I get one view, it makes me feel good. So if you could share them, That'd be great. Thanks. Have a good day. God bless.